H is for horse with Hopi. Look at the big, bright, shiny letter H. Meet Hopi. She is a little girl who loves to explore. Today, she is looking for things that start with her favorite letter. Can you say H with Hopi? H is for horse. Look at him go. Clop, 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 clop. This fast friend is galloping across the bright green grass. He has a long, flowing mane that bounces as he runs. Hopi waves her hand to her new friend. Hello, horse, she shouts with a giggle. The horse slows down and bows its head to say hello. They are going to have a very happy day together. H is for hippo. This hippo is very, very happy. He is sitting in a big, blue pond. He loves to wiggle his tiny ears and blow bubbles in the cool water. Splish, splash. H is for honeybee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. This little bee is very busy. He flies from flower to flower, looking for sweet nectar. He has fuzzy yellow stripes and clear, shimmering wings. Hopi watches the honeybee fly high in the sky. She stays very still so the bee can do its hard work. You are a helper, honeybee, Hopi whispers as she watches him zoom past. H is for house. This is a cozy home where Hopi likes to play. It has a bright red roof, a tall chimney, and a yellow door. It is a wonderful place to hide and seek. H is for hat. Look at all these colors. This hat is tall and floppy with big polka dots and wavy stripes. It is the silliest, most colorful hat Hopi has ever seen. Hopi puts the hat on her head. It is a little bit too big, but she doesn't mind. She feels like a hero. I love my H hat. She cries out while spinning in a circle. Horse, hippo, honeybee, house, and hat. Hopi found so many H things today. She gives her happy hippo friend a great big hug. What other things starting with H can you find? H is for horse with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.